everyone, and welcome to our new lecture, that is data preparation in SAP Analytics Cloud. Let's begin. First of all, let's understand how the data preparation define, what is definition and what is its importance in SAP Analytics Cloud. So what is data preparation? Transforming raw data into structured format for analysis is the data preparation. The importance of data quality is beyond that we should ensure reliable insights for decision making and forecasting, enables effective modeling, visualization and forecasting, because if our data has been prepared very effectively and very efficiently, so the refined data will make our modeling, will make our visualization and forecasting very effective. And as a result of that, we will get the decision which is right for our organization. Either it is analytical decision or either it is forecasting decision. So key steps in data preparation are cleaning, formatting, and enriching data for actionable insight. Outcome of effective data preparation are we have to create a solid foundation for accurate, analytic, and reporting. Let's move on. So let's discuss what is data cleaning and how we can ensure data quality. So for the step 1, we have to remove errors. We have to identify and eliminate errors in dataset. For example, we have to fill the values with the averages if the value like sale amount is not present or it's have the zero value. So we have to fill out the value with the averages. So we also, in the second step, we have to handle duplicates. We have to find and remove any duplicates entries present. For example, in the customer master data, we have to eliminate the duplicates of customer IDs. In the third step, we have to standardize format. We have to identify what are the standard formats available and what we have to create the standard format for unified data format for consistency and accuracy. For example, if we are using the Northwest and the Northwest in the continue as shown the screen, same for the same. This we have to if we are using the Northwest and the Northwest without any gap. So it's both of the description are very different to each other. If we are using it in the region dimension, so we have to synchronize. We have to use only one sort of description. Like we can only use the north dash west or the northwest without any gap. So we have to first identify what the format we have to use and what the format we have to eliminate. Let's moving on. Data formatting, structuring for analysis. We also have to do structuring because analysis is depends on the structuring of the data. So aligning data type is the most important thing in terms of SAP Analytics Cloud. So we have to convert data for SAC compatibility. If we are using the date in a particular format, so we have to align. We have to convert all so we have to use the standard data which are support in SAP Analytics Cloud. Also, we have to standardizing the dates, unified date formats for consistency, because because date is the most is also an important dimension in which the reporting and in which the planning we have to do. So we also have to use the unified date format for the sake of consistency in our data. So our next thing is we have to create hierarchies, because hierarchies establish a better understanding. For example, if we are using the location, location dimension. So in this location, we can create hierarchies like country, like province, and then cities, and so on. So in this way, when we create hierarchies, we will get the optimized result of our reporting. We can also get reporting on the region wise, in and that way we can get the reporting on the city wise, we can get the reporting on the state wise, and so on. So it's better to create hierarchies rather do something else. So let's moving on. Data enrichment, adding value to data. So we have all the